Introduction to Scikit-Learn and Streamlit libraries.
In this video we will cover Introduction, Scikit-Learn Basics, Streamlit Basics, Uses, Integration. Scikit-Learn and Streamlit are two powerful Python libraries for data science and machine learning.
Scikit-Learn provides a range of machine learning tools, while Streamlit makes it easy to create interactive web applications for data analysis and visualization. Scikit-Learn offers a variety of algorithms for machine learning, including linear and logistic regression, decision trees, support vector machines, SVMs, and k-nearest neighbors, KNN.
It also provides a range of tools for model selection and evaluation, such as cross-validation and hyperparameter tuning. Streamlit, on the other hand, is a newer library that has gained popularity in recent years due to its ability to create interactive web applications for data analysis and visualization. It allows users to create web applications using Python scripts, which can be easily shared with others. Scikit-Learn is a Python library for machine learning. It provides a range of tools for data preprocessing, model selection, and evaluation. Some of the most commonly used tools in Scikit-Learn include data preprocessing tools like Standard Scaler, Min-Max Scaler, and One-Hot Encoder. Model selection tools like Train_Test_Split, Cross_Val_Score, and Grid Search CV. Classification and regression models like linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree classifier, and random forest regressor. Evaluation tools like accuracy_score, F1_score, and mean_squared_error. Streamlit is a Python library for creating interactive web applications for data analysis and visualization. With Streamlit, you can create web applications with minimal coding.
Some of the key features of Streamlit include simple and intuitive syntax, real-time updating of web application, integration with popular data science libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Scikit-Learn, easy sharing of web applications via URL.
Scikit-Learn is a popular machine learning library for Python. Here are some of the common use cases of Scikit-Learn. Classification. Scikit-Learn provides a variety of classification algorithms for solving problems like spam detection, image classification, and sentiment analysis.
Regression. Scikit-Learn also provides a range of regression algorithms for predicting continuous numerical values.
These algorithms are commonly used for tasks like stock price prediction and weather forecasting. Clustering. Clustering is a process of grouping similar data points together based on their features.
Clustering is commonly used for tasks like customer segmentation and image segmentation.
Dimensionality reduction. Dimensionality reduction is the process of reducing the number of features in a dataset while preserving as much information as possible. This is useful for tasks like data visualization and feature selection.
Here are some of the ways that Streamlit can be used for data visualization. Interactive dashboards. Streamlit can be used to create interactive dashboards that allow users to interact with data in real time.
This can be especially useful for exploring and analyzing large datasets. Custom visualizations. Streamlit provides a range of built-in visualizations, but it also allows users to create custom visualizations with Python code. This means that you can create visualizations that are tailored to your specific needs and data. Machine learning models. Streamlit can be used to deploy machine learning models and create interactive visualizations of the model's results. Scikit-Learn and Streamlit can be used together to create powerful machine learning applications. Here's an example of how to use Scikit-Learn and Streamlit together to train and evaluate a machine learning model. First, we'll use Scikit-Learn to preprocess the data and train a model. We'll load the dataset using Pandas, split the data into training and testing sets, and then use a Scikit-Learn classifier to train the model on the training data. Once the model is trained, We can use Streamlit to build an interactive user interface to display the results. We can create input fields for the user to enter their health data, and then use the trained model to predict whether the user has diabetes or not. Have fun exploring the Scikit-Learn and Streamlit libraries.